COVID-19 is like learning how to build and fly a plane while it's in the air. I want to thank all of our employer partners for keeping our McMaster University engineering students' safety top of mind during these unprecedented times.
Thank you for continuing to provide work opportunities to students, making safety in their workplace a priority.
Building community can be difficult in a virtual setting. However, many of our students have found their community within extracurricular involvement. Thank you for your support of our clubs, teams, committees, conferences, and technical competitions.
Thank you for engaging in virtual interviews, events, and onboarding with our students.
Our employer partners, that means you, have hosted over 100 events where the students could gather. Although they're gathering virtually, they've been able to gather and meet with you, learn about your organizations, and learn about future career options.
Thank you for donating your time, especially on weekends, to be guest speakers, mentors, and judges at our student-led hackathons and designathons. Thank you for continuing to support and sponsor our clubs and teams during this difficult financial time.
Thank you for your patience as we pilot so many new initiatives in our new virtual campus.
Thank you for pivoting to 100% remote co-op positions and creating virtual onboarding experiences where they may not have previously existed.
Thank you to our employers for being so open-minded and so willing to jump feet first in with us into engaging virtually with our students this fall semester. I know that it's been a lot of work and a lot of hours put into it, and I know our team as well as our students are so appreciative of all the time and energy and effort it takes to be able to still engage with students in this new virtual world.
Thank you for your patience and your sense of humor when working through Zoom meetings and any technological blunders that may have occurred.
Thank you for also having dogs and children running around in the background of our meetings.
I know our team has been so impressed with the creativity, the excitement, the enthusiasm that you have continued to bring to the campus engagement experience. And for that, we are so grateful of everything that you have done and your ability to continue to engage with McMaster Engineering.
On behalf of the students that we support as a team, I wanted to say thank you for everything that you've done.
We appreciate you and we are so grateful for you and everything that you do.
We appreciate you and we thank you for your continued support of our students.
Our students and the Engineering Co-op and Career Services team are forever grateful for your efforts. We got this. Thank you.
Wishing you the best this holiday season.
Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. We could not have done it without you.